Noticed I had a hook on the end of the solder. That's so that I can reach around the other side of the pipe when I need to. Notice the fire lane that I'm putting on here. The hottest point is right there at the blue tip of it. And you will notice that the solder, just like water, will follow the heat. So we just put the fire where we want the solder to go, and it'll suck the solder right up in there. We don't want the fire on the pipe, we want it on the fitting, so it'll suck the solder right up in there. Now you can see the solder starting to be drawn up into the fitting. So a little running down the side. We're just going to kind of wipe that with our glove or a rag if you have one. It's important that we try not to let it get down onto the threads. And what we're doing here is just kind of capping it off a little. Hello, my name's Claude Taylor, and welcome to my How-To Plumbing channel. You know the greatest thing about these how-to plumbing videos? You can watch it right here on YouTube. And you know what that means? That means you can watch it anytime, anywhere, any place. What does this mean? This means you can watch it at home on the big screen with your friends, your family, and have discussions. Need that personal time? Pull it up on your laptop. You'll find every and just about any how-to plumbing video. There are over 500 videos to choose from, and more posted weekly. Whether you like to learn how to solder copper pipe, fix a leaky faucet, or install a hot water heater, it's all here. How about on the spot, in a jam, smartphone? That's right, your smartphone. Right there, right then, how to get it done. So, don't miss out. Become a subscriber today. My name's Claude Taylor, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you here on How To Plumbing.